Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black Sea, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Shiba Inu because there's some big whale movement going on with Shiba Inu. I also want to take a look at Bitcoin because across the board, out of cryptocurrency and the traditional market, we're seeing quite a sell-off. A lot of fear in the market. Not too good to start off our Uptober, guys. But we're gonna take it. We're gonna take that apart, piece it apart, and go through where I think we're headed here. We're gonna talk about Shiba Inu. Is Shiba Inu going to the moon? Is something going on that the big whales are noticing that the retail investors are not? We're gonna take a look at that. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop in this video. So guys, first things first here, I found this article and it was basically saying that Shiba Inu whale activity has increased by a remarkable 360%. And it's ranking in the top of all the coins where there's big wallets moving around. And usually when you see this, usually that's the smart money. The big money is the smart money. Usually, not always, but it is an indication that maybe retail investors should be following this. Now, this isn't financial advice, but I'm just telling you guys the psychology behind big whale movements and big money movements and how it affects the markets. It causes ripples. And I do think that this could potentially be a little bit of a signal of, hey, maybe it's time to accumulate some more Shiba Inu, especially if you feel underexposed and you want more meme coin exposure, you want some higher risk. Maybe right now is a good time to be buying Shiba Inu. When we scroll down here, they say the increase in whale activity points to a possible price recovery for Shiba Inu since big investors often have a significant influence on how smaller assets like Shiba are traded exactly. So when big money is moving around, that's when the smaller retail investors should say, hey, these big guys are moving around, they're accumulating, maybe I should be buying some more. It says whale movements often indicate upcoming volatility or a shift in market sentiment. And guys, Shiba Inu has been we had a big sell-off across the board. We'll look at the charts here shortly. But Shiba Inu is one of the only coins that is still up on the weekly across the board, guys, which is absolutely insane to think about a meme coin, Shiba Inu. I know some people say it's not a meme coin anymore, Black Sea. Yes, I know. It does have some utility, but I still am going to call it a meme coin. It's been around for a long time. It's a meme coin, guys. The increasing involvements of whales may indicate that Shib is preparing for another significant move, potentially toward the next price target of 402, as many have conjectured. It's very interesting, guys. We're going to take a look at this charts, but so right now, Shiba Inu is ranked number 13. This is what I'm saying. Look at this, guys. In the past 7 days, Shiba Inu is still up about 10% after today being down 9%. We're getting a little bit of a bounce here, but everyone's scared of the markets. It's the 1st of October. It's the beginning of quarter 4. And I'm going to take a look at past Octobers as well because I think a lot of people have a idea in mind about how October should be and the real truth behind it. We're going to take a look at that. But all in all here, guys, Shiba Inu is holding up very well. Rank 13, up 10% still on the past 7 days. That's nothing to scoff at, especially seeing this significant sell-off. The fully diluted market cap sitting at $9.6 billion. 24-hour volume is a nice $839 million. That's absolutely insane. I never can get over this type of 24-hour volume and this type of market cap on a meme coin. It's absolutely incredible, guys. I've been a Shiba Inu bull for a long time, but when I say that, I don't say it like how I'm a Solana bull, but I do think there's lots of money to be made with these meme coins, especially Shiba Inu. I'd feel quote-unquote safe, if you will, holding Shiba Inu as a meme coin. It is a blue-chip meme coin, if you will, and it's such a oxymoron saying that, a blue-chip meme coin, but it really is. That's a good way to put it. It's proven the test of time. It's made significant gains, and it's held up relatively well throughout these drawdowns. When you look at Shiba Inu, we've bounced very, very nicely off of this. 401329, and that article was saying a projection of reaching 40.2, so about a little bit further up here, which, I say it's a little bit, but it's a big, big gain. If we were to measure that from where we're at right now to a 0.2, you're talking about a nice 15% gain from where we're at. We're making our way there. We're almost there, and I do think that October is a very interesting time. October is supposed to be Uptober. Q4 is supposed to be very, very bullish for crypto, and usually crypto performs very well in Q4. And right now, we're seeing a huge sell-off across the board. Bitcoin's down. It's bringing everything down with it. Shiba Inu holding up relatively well. I'll keep saying that because it's quite surprising when you see meme coins surviving, especially a big, big meme coin not getting hit during a market-wide sell-off is pretty fascinating and a sign of strength, in my opinion. And guys, if you do think that there's going to be strength in meme coins and you want to long some of these meme coins, please check out in the description box below or in the pinned comment. We have a $5,000 sign-on bonus to Blowfin as well as a $4,100 sign-on bonus to Femex. If you want to leverage trade some of these meme coins, you want to short them to zero or you want to long them to the moon if you think it's going straight to the moon, please check out those links. Click those links, deposit, trade a little bit. You get a bunch of free money, guys. Especially Blowfin has many, many meme coins you can trade, and they're constantly adding more and more meme coins. I've been having a lot of fun on this exchange. So now, let's talk about Octobers, because everyone is saying, October, we should be going to the moon right now. Why are we selling off? First off, there's a big conflict happening in the Middle East. It's scaring everybody, but we've seen this happen a few times. I think it's temporary. I'm no geopolitical expert, but in my opinion, I think it's a temporary shakeout in the markets. I think the markets will get over it. The one thing that markets don't like is uncertainty, and that's what we have right now. But let's take a look here. Over on Crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333BlackSea. I say parabolic moves during previous Octobers started on. So we are on October 1st today, okay, guys? In previous cycle Octobers for Bitcoin, before we had a huge run-up, parabolic moves, we had some selling off. We had a decent amount of selling off. And if you were to look back, October 2023, last year, October 15th, 2021, October 5th, 2020, October 11th, 2017, October 11th. It was not, okay, it's October, it's time to go. It was not really like that. And that's something that you need to really pay attention to. Don't get shaken out just yet. Don't say October, green, bullish, October in Q4 is gone, it's done for now, because you didn't see Bitcoin pump 25% the first day of October. No, that's very short-sighted, guys. We really should be patient here. I'm still a very big bull on the concept that the overall crypto market is going to perform very, very well in Q4 and into Q1 of 2025. I am expecting that, guys, and I'm betting on it. I put my money where my mouth is, and I do expect big moves, and that means Shiba Inu too. Shiba Inu is going to perform very, very well, especially if Bitcoin has this mega bullish Q4. And I do think that we need to be patient right now, guys. We do need to be patient. Just because we're not seeing Bitcoin pump to the moon right now does not mean that October is going to be a bearish month. It's literally the first day of October. In the timeline, people are saying it's over. It's all over. It's all over. It's not. So when you look at the overall market, it's red across the board. Bitcoin's trading at 60,700. We came down all the way from like 66,000 over the past 2 days, down about 4% on the day. That's nothing to scoff at. It's a big move for Bitcoin. But really, these altcoins holding up pretty well. And Shiba Inu is really red on the day. It's a red outlier. It's down more percentage-wise than a lot of these other coins, but it's still up almost 10% on the week, which is insane. All in all here, guys, Bitcoin dominance topped out, in my opinion, unless we see that breakout to the upside at 58% when you're excluding stablecoins. The altcoins have held up well after this little bit of a shakeout, and I really do believe that this is just a shakeout, guys. Don't get shaken out. Don't lose your coins. And I know as this chop continues to go on and on, month to month, it's easier and easier to sell your bags for a loss or get out of the market and put it into the traditional market because the S&P 500 is making gains and gains month after month. The Magnificent Seven, big tech, is going to the moon. Usually you don't want to be trading losers for winners. Usually you want to be taking profits out of your winners and putting them into losers as long as they have good fundamentals. Emphasis on that. When it comes to trading, that's usually what you want to be doing. You don't want to be doing the opposite. When you look at Bitcoin right now on the weekly is bullish. That being said, we are pulling back a little bit here on the daily. We do want to see, we just closed the weekly. So in 5 days and 1 hour, I want to see weekly candle closure above guys, above $65,000. That's about $5,000 away from where we're at right now. But I will be honest, 5 days is a long time in Bitcoin time, in Bitcoin years, whatever you want to say. In Bitcoin time, 5 days is a long time. A lot can happen in 5 days, guys. So be patient here. And when you look at the monthly, it's green. We had a monthly candle close, and it's green, guys. A green September. We should expect a nice quarter four. Sure, we could chop around. For quarter four. I doubt it, though. I doubt it. I expect a big move to the upside here, and I do think that Shiba Inu and all the other meme coins are going to perform well with it. And that's why I'm saying, guys, you're seeing these whales moving around money, big whale wallets moving their money around in Shiba Inu, accumulating. Maybe a signal. But guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel right now. Do you think that this is going to be an Uptober? Or do you think that October will be bearish? Do you think we'll close the monthly candle closure on October in a deficit? I'm very curious what you guys have to say. Leave a comment down below and let me know. That's all I got for you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.